get tired.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
So you said she go enter in. You guys are just wicked. Follow.
You have room. Shape my pass the moon on. I have to see you. That's the basic. Get out of the constitution. That's all I'm trying to make. You cannot be saying work from home. No, this big conglomerate, never. That's the trend now. I'll meet it. And remember,
no, she should have known that. But any small thing, like yeah, I can hear you.
So what do you want to do?
Come on, is it for us or for yourself? Hey guys, so I'm actually heading to my community meeting now. This is actually my first time attending this meeting, so I don't know what to expect, but finger crossed it's going to go well. I'll take you guys through a bit, but I just wanted to let you guys know so that it doesn't look like you're just bumping into the whole thing. So stay tuned.
No.